Silky Nata Hatchet. The Silky Nata Hatchet is a specialized tool designed for bushcraft, which refers to the practice of wilderness survival skills and outdoor living. A hatchet is a type of small axe that is commonly used for chopping wood and other materials. The Silky Nata Hatchet, in particular, is designed to have a lightweight and ergonomic construction that allows for easy handling and comfortable use. The word Nata in the name of this hatchet refers to the Japanese word for hatchet or axe. Silky, the brand name of this hatchet, is a Japanese company known for producing high-quality cutting tools. The blade of the Silky Nata Hatchet is made of high-quality steel that is designed to be durable and resistant to corrosion. The hatchet is also designed to have a sharp edge, which makes it effective for chopping through wood and other materials. Overall, the Silky Nata Hatchet is a specialized tool that is designed to be used for bushcraft, which involves a range of outdoor skills and activities such as shelter building, fire making, and foraging. The hatchet is designed to be lightweight, durable, and easy to use, making it a popular choice among those who enjoy spending time in the wilderness. Crkt Exclusive Blackwoods Chogan T-Hawk. The Crkt Exclusive Blackwoods Chogan T-Hawk is a specialized tool designed by Crkt in collaboration with Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical. The T-Hawk is a type of tomahawk, which is a lightweight axe originally used by Native Americans for various tasks, including hunting, chopping, and fighting. The Blackwoods Chogan T-Hawk has a blade made from 1055 carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, which helps to protect it from corrosion and wear. The handle is made from Tennessee hickory wood, which is known for its durability, strength, and resistance to impact. The handle also features a black coating for a sleek look and added protection. The Chogan T-Hawk is designed to be a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including chopping, cutting, and slicing. It can also be used as a hammer, with the back end of the head serving as a striking surface. The T-Hawk also has a spike on the top of the head, which can be used for piercing or puncturing. Overall, the Crkt Exclusive Blackwoods Chogan T-Hawk is a rugged and reliable tool that is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and anyone who needs a versatile cutting and chopping tool. It is also a popular choice for survivalists and preppers who want a durable and reliable tool that can help them in emergency situations. Silky Pocketboy 130 Folding Saw. The Silky Pocketboy 130 Folding Saw is a popular cutting tool used in the practice of bushcraft. Bushcraft is the art of living in and utilizing natural environments to survive and thrive. It involves a range of skills, such as shelter building, fire making, foraging, and hunting, among others. A folding saw like the Pocketboy 130 is an essential tool for bushcrafters as it allows them to cut branches and logs for shelter building, firewood, and other purposes. The Pocketboy 130 is made by the Japanese company Silky, which has a reputation for producing high-quality saws for forestry, landscaping, and other outdoor activities. The Pocketboy 130 has a blade length of 5 inches and features a compact folding design that makes it easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. The blade is made from high-quality Japanese steel and has a tooth configuration that is optimized for cutting wood. The teeth are also impulse hardened, which means they are more durable and longer lasting than regular saw teeth. The Pocketboy 130 also has a comfortable rubberized handle that provides a good grip, even when the saw is wet. The handle also has a hole at the end, which can be used to attach a lanyard for added security. Overall, the Silky Pocketboy 130 Folding Saw is an excellent choice for bushcrafters who need a reliable and durable cutting tool for their outdoor adventures. It is lightweight, easy to use, and built to last, making it an ideal tool for anyone who enjoys spending time in the great outdoors. The Worksharp Pivot Knife Sharpeners. The Worksharp Pivot Knife Sharpener is a portable tool that is designed to help sharpen your knives, particularly those used for bushcraft. Bushcraft is a term used to describe wilderness skills that involve survival and self-reliance, such as building shelters, starting fires, and finding food and water sources. The Worksharp Pivot Knife Sharpener has a compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry with you while you're out in the wilderness. The tool features a pivoting sharpening head that allows you to sharpen your knife at the proper angle, regardless of the shape or size of the blade. This is important because different knives require different sharpening angles to be effective. The sharpener also has two diamond plates, one for coarse sharpening and one for fine sharpening. The diamond plates are durable and long-lasting, so you won't have to worry about replacing them often. Additionally, the sharpener has a ceramic honing rod that helps you to maintain the edge of your knife between sharpenings. The WorkSharp Pivot Knife Sharpener is designed to be easy to use, even if you're not an experienced knife sharpener. Simply place your knife in the sharpening head, select the appropriate angle, and slide the knife back and forth across the diamond plates. Then, use the ceramic honing rod to touch up the edge of the blade as needed. Overall, the WorkSharp Pivot Knife Sharpener is a useful tool for anyone who enjoys bushcraft or outdoor activities. It is portable, easy to use, and effective at sharpening a variety of knives, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. S59 Swiss Francs Full Tang Fixed Blade. The S59 Swiss Francs is a full tang fixed blade knife designed for bushcraft and outdoor activities. Full tang means that the blade and handle are made from a single piece of metal, providing added strength and durability compared to knives with partial tangs or hidden tangs. The blade of the S59 Swiss Francs is made from 65mm high-carbon steel, which is known for its toughness and ability to hold an edge. The blade is also coated with a black powder finish for added protection against rust and wear. The handle of the knife is made from thermoplastic elastomer and features a diamond pattern texture for a secure grip, even in wet conditions. The handle also has a lanyard hole for easy attachment to a belt or backpack. Overall, the S59 Swiss Francs is a rugged and reliable knife that is well suited for a variety of outdoor tasks such as cutting wood, preparing food, and building shelters. It is designed to withstand heavy use and provide reliable performance in challenging environments. Crkt Spark'n Sharp Overview. The Crkt Spark'n Sharp is a versatile survival tool designed for bushcraft and outdoor enthusiasts. It combines the functions of a knife, a ferrocerium rod, and a tungsten carbide sharpener into a compact and lightweight package. The knife blade is made of high-carbon stainless steel with a drop point shape, which is ideal for a variety of outdoor tasks such as slicing, chopping, and carving. The blade is 3 inches long and features a full flat grind, which provides excellent cutting performance and edge retention. The ferrocerium rod is located on the handle of the knife and can be used to start fires in any weather condition. The rod is made of a synthetic material that is easy to scrape with the back of the knife blade, producing a shower of hot sparks. The tungsten carbide sharpener is located on the back of the knife blade and can be used to sharpen the blade in the field. The sharpener is easy to use and can quickly restore a dull edge to a razor-sharp one. The Spark'n Sharp has a textured G10 handle that provides a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. The knife also comes with a nylon sheath that can be worn on a belt or attached to a backpack. Overall, the Crkt Spark'n Sharp is a versatile and reliable tool that is perfect for bushcraft, camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. It combines multiple functions into a single package, making it an ideal choice for anyone who wants to travel light without sacrificing functionality. SOG Folding Saw. A SOG folding saw is a type of hand-operated saw that is designed for use in bushcraft or outdoor activities. The saw is made by SOG Specialty Knives and Tools, a company that specializes in manufacturing knives and tools for outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, and first responders. The SOG folding saw features a durable and sharp blade that is made from high-quality steel. The blade is typically 8 to 9 inches in length, which makes it ideal for cutting through small to medium-sized branches and limbs. The blade is also designed to fold up into the handle of the saw, making it compact and easy to carry. The handle of the SOG folding saw is typically made from a durable material such as rubber or nylon, which provides a comfortable and secure grip while using the saw. The handle may also feature a locking mechanism that keeps the blade securely in place while in use. One of the advantages of using a SOG folding saw for bushcraft is that it is a lightweight and portable tool that can be easily carried in a backpack or on a belt. It is also relatively easy to use, even for those who are not experienced with using saws. Additionally, because the blade folds up into the handle, it is less likely to cause injury or damage to other items in your pack when not in use. Overall, the SOG Folding Saw is a versatile and useful tool for anyone who enjoys spending time in the outdoors and needs a reliable saw for cutting through wood and other materials. Whether you are camping, hiking, or just enjoying a day in the woods, a SOG Folding Saw can help make your outdoor experience more enjoyable and productive. Thanks for joining us today on Outdoor Gear Lab as we explored the 7 ultimate bushcraft tools, from fire starting to shelter building. These tools are essential for any outdoor enthusiast who wants to be prepared in the wilderness. Remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in your survival and comfort. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or just starting out, these tools will serve you well on your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more outdoor gear reviews and bushcraft tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which bushcraft tool is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.